To display the navigation home screen, tap the Navigation app. Press on Search to enter an address or a name. Press this touch to display the main menu with various options. Select Search to enter an address, a name, or certain places of interest. Select Drive Home using an address previously recorded in My Places. Select Drive to Work using an address previously recorded in My Places. Select Recent Destinations to display the last destinations searched for. Select My Places for rapid access to the locations recorded, as well as your favorite destinations. Select My Routes to display your preferred itineraries. Select Settings to input the vehicle type, customize display, vocal instructions, map options, itinerary planner, sounds and notifications, and system information. Select this touch to display detail of software versions and legal notices. Select Parking to display the various parking options in the region. Select Service Station to display the various service stations or charging stations for electric vehicles on the current itinerary or nearby. Press on this touch to display 3D or 2D mode. Press repeatedly on this touch and select Unmuted, Alerts Only, or Muted. Press on the touches plus or minus to zoom in or zoom out, or use 2 fingers on the screen. For complete peace of mind, Peugeot offers a trip planner on the E308 and E408. Integrated into the connected navigation system and working in conjunction with the battery preheating function on E408, it plans your journeys to maximize range and simplify charging. It calculates the ideal route based on distance, battery level at departure, and desired battery level at arrival, considering available charging stations near the destination and anticipated energy consumption.